Alright, we are making limeade. And my recipe is just under 8 ounces of lime juice. So let's just say 7 to 8 ounces, depending on the strength, how sour you want it. And you can see that I like my pulp. I love pulp. I have 6.5 cups of water in a pot. I'm going to go ahead and turn that to a medium low heat. So about 3 or 4. I don't really want to get it too hot. I just want to get the bottom of the pot to have some heat. And then I'm going to add a little under 1 cup of sugar to my water. Get a special heat-safe spoon. And then we're just going to get the bottom of the pan hot, so it'll help the sugar dissolve. We don't need to get the whole thing of water boiling or even hot. And that's just my trick to make sure I don't have, you know, sugar sediment floating through my drink. Turn that up a little bit. Yep, sugar is dissolving nicely. Alright, so sugar is pretty much dissolved. Lovely assistant, will you come help me out? Will you just take the spoon and make sure you get all the pulp, because I want all of that delicious pulp. And then just scrape it down in the juice and then dump all of it. Turning that off, by the way, because we don't need it hot. Yeah, and then just scrape all that down so we can get that goodness in us. And then dump it in the pot. Please. And again, that's 6.5 cups of water, just under 1 cup of sugar, and then this is about 7 ounces of lime juice. And if you don't want the pulp, you could just take like a paper towel or a piece of cheesecloth or just a strainer and put it over, you know, your cup, and then just squeeze the lime into that and it'll collect all the pulp and seeds or whatever. But yeah, that's it. 5-minute limeade video.